In today's video, we are going to look at how to create a multi-OS bootable drive. What's the reason for this? Instead of having 2, 3, 4 operating systems carrying a disk, a DVD disk or the CD disk, you can incorporate or bring all these operating systems into one flash drive so that you can install more than one operating system from that USB flash. There are many tools for this, but I will teach you how to create this multi-OS bootable USB flash drive with a reliable tool. Now, for you to do this, you have to have your flash drive. Since you are installing or you want to install more than one operating system in one. For example, you have a Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11. I've mentioned 5 operating systems. Now you want 5 of them to be inside your flash drive. You need to have at least 32 gig flash drive capacity. Secondly, you must have a fast laptop or desktop PC. Now, I'm going to show you the tool you are going to make use of. Now, the tool you are going to make use of is called the Win Setup from USB. This is the application here, as you can see it here. This is the application. Then once you extract, you double click and say yes and extract this. You extract it to a folder where you expect it to be. I've already done that, and that's why we have this folder here. This Win Setup from USB. You double click. It's a free software I downloaded from Google. Then I double click. The application is 64-bit because my operating system architecture is 64-bit. I go to yes. This is the application. Automatically it dictates your flash drive. I've plugged in my flash drive in the USB port, and that's why it is displaying here. That's Samsung flash drive. It's a 64 gig flash drive. Then at first, another thing you will need to do, you must make sure that your operating system, those operating system you want to install inside that flash drive is at hand, and it must be in an ISO image file. In my next video, you are going to see how to create this or download an image file. Now, what do I need to do? I already have my operating system at hand. I select this. Selecting this will enable the software or the application to reformat my flash drive to be clean. Note that anything inside that flash drive will be deleted. Once the formatting is going on, it will be deleted. So if you have any valuable files inside that your flash, you have to back it up. Then once I have done that, I click on this option, the second option, then select my operating systems where I have saved them. This is where I have saved them. Then as you can see, I have my Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11. I'll start with Windows 7. Then I click go. It will pop up a warning. Are you sure that this is the correct disk? If yes, I click on yes. I click on yes. The process starts. Depending on the speed of your laptop determines the time, but it usually is not up to 5 minutes to finish installing one operating system. So we wait for it to install. Now the first one is done. As you can see, job done. We are done installing the Windows 7 inside the flash. I click OK. Now for the second one, after you click OK, you go back. This time around, we are not checking this box anymore because you don't need to reformat it. You don't need to check it again. Take note, the second time you only do this initially, the first time before you install the first operating system. Now secondly, you come back here, check this box, select the second operating system, which is Windows 8. First we did with Windows 7, we select Windows 8 this time around. It will give you a warning. Just click OK, then click go. Are you sure it's the correct disk? Yes. Now the Windows 8 starts installing. Remember, the Windows 7 is still there, it is not being wiped out. We wait for it to get finished. Okay. Um the the second one is finished. The second one is finished. As you can see, it's a job done. I click OK. Now I want to install three operating systems: Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. So I go for the third one. I already have the iOS file. I'm putting Windows 10 32-bit. This is Windows 10 64-bit, but I want to put Windows 10 32-bit. OK. Then yes. Then this is the last one. After this last one, I'm going to show you how it works, how we can use it to format a system. Just be patient. As you can see, this one has been finally done. I can click OK and I'll click exit. Then if you locate your flash drive, which is this, as you can see, it's loaded with operating system. How to check if our multi OS bootable drive is working? We boot our laptop or PC from the USB drive and see if the boot menu appears, allowing us to select the desired operating system to boot into. If the menu shows up with the different OS we have installed, our multi-boot drive is functioning properly. Okay, on it, locate the boot. I say now, as you can see, what came up is what came up. What you do is to select the first one, not the second one. This is the second one. This first option, once it is selected using your arrow key from the keyboard, click on enter. As you can see now that the operating system, this is Windows 7, this is Windows 8, this is Windows 10. So you can select the choice of your OS that you want to make use of or install in that particular laptop: Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10. So with this, once you select the actual or the OS of your choice, you can now follow the remaining instruction to format or install the operating system. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can still subscribe, like my video, and also share. Thank you.